Welcome back to another episode in the Philippines where we're staying in the beautiful town of El Nido. On today's episode we are going on an island hopping excursion on Tour A, which cost us 1,600 pesos per person. Our first stop was Big Lagoon, where we got to explore around in kayaks, which cost 250 pesos for the both of us. Thank you.
Enjoy! We will!
As we were exploring around, we did come across this amazing cave, which we went into, which was super cool. It was very refreshing to get out of the sun for a moment. As we were chilling out in the water, our hilarious tour guide Armstrong strolled past. He was one of the friendliest guys I've ever met. Say hi to the camera.
Hello!
One thing I should warn you of is if you're going in the water in Big Lagoon that there are triggerfish which actually bit one of our friends. So just be careful if you're going to go in the water. After a long stop at Big Lagoon, we headed over to Secret Lagoon, which was super busy. As you can see here, there's a group of people queuing to get through that small hole into the Secret Lagoon. If you come here, you'll also see people going around in kayaks selling coconuts with rum inside. They also do sell other drinks as well, but it's really convenient when you're super thirsty and they have ice cold drinks ready to go. We then had to queue up to get through this small hole into Secret Lagoon, and as you can see it was super busy and cramped, so we didn't spend too long in there. And of course here's Armstrong posing for the camera.
Oh, that's a video. I got you.
On our next stop we headed over to a small island for lunch, and whilst they're preparing our lunch we went for a snorkel in the water. There were hundreds, maybe thousands and thousands of these tiny jellyfish, which did end up stinging us a little bit, but it was well worth it because there were such beautiful fish down there. After a quick snorkel, our lunch was ready, and I really loved this. They actually delivered it on a kayak to the island. After a delicious lunch, I flew the drone up in the air to check out what it looked like from above, and then we jumped straight back into the water to go snorkeling. After seeing some amazing turtles and clownfish and lots of beautiful fish, we headed over to Papaya Beach, which was connected to Seven Commandos Beach, which was our final stop for the day. After an amazing day island hopping, we headed back to El Nido and we headed out for dinner at this awesome place called Mahogany Resort, which you should definitely check out if you're coming to El Nido. Even though we did really love the hotel that we were staying in, this place was super special, so we kind of wished that we'd booked that at least for a couple of nights. But some friends that we made on the day actually were staying in this hotel and they were saying how amazing it was, so we went to check it out. All the rooms are separate buildings, so they're these really cute thatched huts with air conditioning, which looks super luxurious from the outside. Unfortunately, I didn't have a chance to go and look inside, but I did look on their website and they look absolutely amazing. The resort itself was actually really quiet. I thought that maybe they didn't fill all of their rooms, but when I spoke to one of the members of staff, she actually told me that all of the rooms were fully booked, but we only saw 2 other people when we were walking around, so I guess they were all out. But of course it was super nice because we just felt like we had the whole hotel to ourselves. As we were sitting back enjoying the sunset, the tide was heading out and it was so awesome to see these really cute dogs enjoying the water, running around, living their best lives. If you enjoyed today's episode or you're planning on coming to El Nido anytime soon, then please let me know down below in the comments, and of course subscribe, like and turn on the notification bell because that really helps my channel out. On the next episode we will still be in El Nido, but we'll be heading out on another island hopping tour, but this time it will be on Tour D. Thank you so much for watching this episode and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.